Greetings, everybody! Welcome to the greatest renovation that's ever lived, week 2. Now I'm stopping right here to show you I had to give up on my liposuction business. Unfortunately, due to numerous lawsuits, I didn't do anything wrong. It was the machine that was wrong. I had to close it. But I have 2 left over, and one of them is going to be turned into a gaming machine. Stay tuned for that. Unfortunately, I don't have time for that right now because I'm so crammed with renovating a warehouse from the 1600s. So join me. We got a doorknob. Big things here at Salem Texperts. Big things. You see that? Lights. Yep, we're really living the life now. So we have 2 lights that are completely the wrong color, and we have the rest of the lights are the correct color. Bathroom. But look at this. No pee stains. This bathroom works. The other bathroom we don't talk about. Streaming room. Still some work to go. A lot of work to do in the streaming room. So you see all those tiles in there. Those are all old tiles. We did not like those tiles because those tiles they're old, they're falling apart. We don't want them. They're filthy. I don't like filthy tiles. So we replaced all of the tiles with some Armstrong ceiling tiles. They're just the basic office ones that you see or whatever. They were the cheapest ones. They look way better. They absorb sound better. Not the best, but better. As good as I need it to be. The flooring plans, the layout and all that stuff, we uploaded on Discord. So if you're in Discord, check it out. We have a layout of what we're gonna do, roughly. A desk is gonna go right here. So it's gonna have like a little reception desk looking thing right here. The one that's actually in the store right now is gonna go right in the corner. These are probably gonna be moved over there. And I'm gonna have my table that I film with probably right here. And because this lighting is good, once we replace those 2 lights, I don't know where the confusion came from, but these 2 lights are supposed to be, those are like 3000K or something like that. I want these ones. I want the bright stuff. The bright stuff. This room, we replaced all the tiles. We still haven't replaced the door, so Freddy Krueger's mark is still here. Again, still a lot of work to do here, but a lot of the work we did, you just can't see. It's like the lighting and stuff, which was huge. That was a huge thing. And the ceiling tiles, that was big. This is a crazy story. We found these 2 keyboards up in the ceiling. I don't know if somebody was like hoarding them, but they were in the ceiling. So this is an old IBM keyboard. That's the model number. Hit me up if you want this. For money. I'm not giving this away. I don't know what kind of person you think I am. And then we have this old HP keyboard. Missing a key. What is that? What key is that? That's the Y key. Why is it missing a key? Why was it in the ceiling? We don't know. It's okay. We still have our desk. Now this might be my favorite room of all because of how far it's come. Come here. Do you remember what this looked like before? Look what it looks like now. Look at that clean rug. And you know why it's so clean? My eufy E25.
Because with an insane 20,000 pascals of suction power, its vacuum will suck the soul out of your carpet, pulling out everything in its path. Dust, crumbs, and yes, even all that pet hair from Fido. This kind of suction means a really deep clean, whether it's your hard floors or deep into your carpet fibers. And speaking of hair, check out the Duo Spiral brushes. If you have pets or long hair yourself, you know the nightmare of tangled rollers. But the eufy E25 has the industry's first retractable Duo Spiral anti-tangle brushes. These are designed to prevent tangling, so you're not spending your time cutting hair out of your robot vacuum like with a traditional one. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference in maintenance. But this isn't just any robot vacuum. It's the world's first hydrojet robot vacuum. The hydrojet system is a game changer because it cleans its own roller mop 360 times per minute. With this extra long mop and 1.5 kilograms of pressure, it delivers a deeper clean on stubborn stains. That means it's not just smearing gooch around, it's always cleaning with a clean mop. So when you encounter coffee stains, which are the biggest culprit in my shop, this little superhero doesn't just wipe lightly, it mops powerfully. And that continuous cleaning cleaning of the roller mop means it's always using fresh water and its full cleaning power on your floors. No more pushing dirty water around. It does this by being paired with separate clean and dirty water tanks and a scraper blade, so it keeps the rolling mop clean throughout the process while preventing cross-contamination. This is a deep hygienic clean, even on really tough large-size stains. My kitchen floor has never felt so consistently clean with so little effort from me. It's like having a mini floor washing Zamboni, only 20 times cuter. Now what about those tricky edges and corners where dust bunnies love to hide? Well, the Eufy E25 has the corner rover arm. This clever arm extends to get right into those corners and along the edges, ensuring 100% coverage. No more missed spots and no crumbs left behind. Beyond those powerhouse features, this cleaning miracle on wheels is packed with AI tech that's actually useful. With its AI, see intelligent obstacle avoidance, you don't have to meticulously clear the floor before it runs. It can see and dodge things like cables, chargers, random laptops, and pet bowls. It's smart enough to clean around your life and not just demand you to prepare for it. Speaking of smart, it's equipped with smart controls and an app that lets you start, stop, schedule cleans, select cleaning modes, and customize everything right from your phone, whether you're home or not. It's super convenient. And after it's done, it heads back home to its all-in-one station. This station doesn't just charge it can also empty the dustbin and even wash and dry the mop on some models. This means truly hands-free maintenance for weeks at a time. The Eufy E25 is a total game changer for anyone tired of daily cleaning chores. Now, Eufy has a couple of fantastic options depending on your needs. If you want an all-in-one solution with handheld deep cleaning for upholstery or your car, go for the Eufy E28. It gives you that amazing robot performance plus a versatile handheld unit. But if you're on a budget or don't need that handheld option, grab the E25 like I did. All in all, with 20,000 pascals of suction, an anti-tangle brush, and a self-cleaning mop, it's time to free up your hands and bring some convenience to your life, whether it's for your studio or your home. And if you want $150 off, from June 18th to July 18th, simply use discount code EUFYFANS when you click the link in the description or the pinned comment.
He's dehydrated. So I still have some work to do in this room. Of course, I have to clean the walls and all that stuff, but the carpet is clean. And this is probably gonna be like a break room of sorts, something like that. It's a very comfortable room, believe it or not. It might be an office. I haven't decided that yet, but this is a nice little break room. We have the window here. The only screen that's actually still intact in this place. All the other screens melted, which was weird. I don't know if you guys noticed that. Why do these screens melt? Why do the screens melt like this? Kind of weird, right? I'm curious about that. Let me know in the comments why screens melt. Are they cheap plastic? What's going on here? Back in my day, they were made of like steel that probably gave you cancer, but they lasted for 60 years. Now, this is the biggest unveil. The door doesn't close. We're gonna get a door that closes, don't you worry. But this is the biggest change. You guys ready? Check this out. This is the room. This is the room where all the refurbishing is going to happen. No more subway closet, this is it. So obviously I removed all the shelves, all the toys that were here. I personally removed every single piece. And by me, I mean everybody else except for me. I was at home editing this video, probably. No, that's impossible. I'm not a time traveler. I was editing another video, most likely. But these workstations are friggin' awesome. They have LED lights. These have the hookup for the LED lights, but we just don't have them installed yet. And we have multiple shelves. This one is for people that vote. What is this? Back here, we're probably just gonna store supplies and stuff. I don't want really anything underneath this right now. We did discover there's a leak in the ceiling, which is fine. It is what it is. I'm sure the landlord will take care of it. But for now, we just have to put that barrel over there. That's why there was standing water. Shout out to the HVAC guy that pointed that out in the comments. I appreciate you, dude. That was actually huge. So that helped us out a lot. I mean, all we really had to do was come over here and look up and you can see the sunlight, but you know. But yeah, we'll switch around with some of these. So this bench is gonna go over here. This shelf is gonna go where that bench is. Generally, I just don't want people working underneath the HVAC system over there. It's just gonna be loud. It's not cool. It's not cool because it's heat. It's only heat. That is only heat. By the way, all the comments, that's only a heat one. There's no AC coming from here. Airflow is the biggest issue we have right now. Clearly. You can't cool this room. We tried ACs, it's not happening. So we're gonna put ACs in the office back there. Some big like 12,000 BTUs or something. The other problem is that they're skinny windows. They're really thin windows, so it's gonna be tough to find an AC that's actually gonna fit. But we'll figure it out. Maybe we have an intake fan over here, exhaust fan over there, or vice versa, just to cool everybody during the summer periods. If we have to move maybe one of those shelves over here so that there's airflow For the workers, we can do that. As you can see, we have a table full of lights, and these are the lights that we have not replaced yet. So these are gonna be LEDs instead of the old fluorescent bulbs. We're replacing everything with LEDs. It's gonna be better on electricity and way better in terms of lighting. It's gonna just look better. Because why do fluorescents still exist? Answer, why do they still exist? It's insane. LEDs are so cheap, so much more power efficient. Fluorescents just give you a fucking seizure when you look at them. This is a nice bench though, right here. This looks like it has like a pull-out. Look at this. That's probably falling apart, right? That's that rubber that comes off. It's definitely asbestos. What? How's it? Hold on. Whoa! What is this? Oh, it's a cup holder for my water. You can just put my half-gallon jug. That's sturdy. All right. This has to work somehow, right? We'll just leave it like that. The drawers are empty. This is a good. There's an elastic in there. It's static safe. That's nice. So this is a good spot to refurbish stuff, I guess. Maybe we'll move it over there. Not sure yet. Fire extinguishers. Gotta be safe. Can't be too safe. We're replacing this door. So the door is going to be replaced with a nice door. We're going to do a coat of paint or whatever. What else we got here? We did run Ethernet, and the main Ethernet is in this second bathroom over here. So this is just temporary. Probably going to be the server room. Server's probably going to go somewhere like in the corner or something like that. Again, melted screen, which is weird in this room. Melted screen. Odd. Very weird. But I set up the Ethernet just temporarily so that we can get stuff done, so that Eufy can actually do her job here. A lot of you people were concerned that I was going in deep over my head. I am not. This place cost me less than Subway. 100% less than Subway. That's why these renovations are completely fine, because the things I'm doing here, it's not expensive. This stuff is not expensive. It's labor intensive. It costs me a lot in labor and time, and my back hurts, and I'm probably filled with asbestos right now, like your mother is filled with me. But it's worth the money in the long run. It's worth the time in the long run, especially when we have such a large space to do everything we need to do. A massive difference from Subway. This will allow me to just be much more productive. So I've been coming here off and on to get little things done, because I don't have enough time to actually come here for an extended period of time to do big things. That's where the greatest intern that's ever lived is helping me out. But I'm just gonna install ceiling tiles right now, because that's an easy, quick thing to do. I don't have any safety glasses on because, you know, this stuff rains in your eyes, but I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Don't you worry about it. All right, well, this ladder is very sturdy, so I don't think I'll have a problem getting up here. This should fit just fine. Oh, shit. Oh, boy. Maybe I'll wait for some help. Thankfully, my respawn point has been updated, so I'm here. Now, where do I put my... There we go. Perfect. Nothing. Well, since I've already used one respawn today, I'm running a little low on respawn cards. So we're gonna head out of here. Don't worry, this channel isn't gonna turn into some renovation home channel, all that crap. I'm still gonna be making content at Subway, so I'm gonna be in Subway until this place is finished. I'm not moving yet. I will be providing up, probably once a month I'll be doing updates on this place as big things happen. I just wanted to show off that room and just kind of show you where things have come in the few weeks since I've seen you. It doesn't look like much visually, but you can't see the stuff that we did. It's all behind the scenes. So this is what a renovation looks like. I enjoy doing this across all things: cars, computers, rooms, houses, women, everything. I like to buy them broken and then fix them. So until next time, take care of each other. Wait, was it take care of yourself and each other? Yeah. Take care of yourself and each other.